Philia magic. I always get this one wrong, but hey, look at me! Oh boy! Oh, let's wait around for a bit. Okay, next showing is when? Could be a little one. Be interesting. Well, see you faster. There's a 3D movie, should we say? Oh, check in a bit. Hi, so we've just watched Philia Magic, but because DCA, Disney's California Adventure, shuts at 6 o'clock because of the Oogie Boogie night, we decided to change parks. So now we are back in Disneyland, and because it's our last day here, we're riding the train for one last time. Yeah, it's been a fun day so far. Tiring, yeah. I've actually got blister off it. So yeah, be prepared for a lot of walking.
We've been up since like 5 o'clock.
Yeah, we have been early. Because we had the character breakfast, we had to get up early for it.
We had early park entry.
That's right, early park entry at 7, so we had to get up early. But yeah, it's been a good day. Sad day obviously, but we've tried to fill it with as much goodness as we could. Sorry about the noise. There's a band behind us. So yeah, we're going to try and have some more fun and see where it takes us really. So for now, we're going to sign off here for a bit. Bye, see you later. We're now heading into Pinocchio. Well, this has been an interesting ride. I've never done this one before. It's called Pinocchio's Daring Adventure. Come enjoy. See how it goes. So we've just been on Pinocchio's Daring Adventure. I did film it, but it was very dark in there and you get spun around a lot. So if I've got any footage, it'd be great. If not, I do apologise, but it was a lovely ride. Quite a calm ride, so yeah.
Very similar to a lot of rides in Fantasyland.
Yeah, a lot of rides in California have been calmer rides than you do in Florida. So that's been quite good for us, really. Well, at least for me. Anyway. But yeah, if I've got any footage, it'd be great. So yeah, we'll add that in for you. And yeah, we're going to continue our lovely last time here in this park. I have to keep reminding myself it's the last time.
I'm sure we'll come back.
We'll have to come back, for sure. We've got some pins to trade still. Hopefully we can do it in this park. The cast members haven't really had any pins in these parks, which is really weird. Whereas, like in Florida, all the cast members seem to have pins. Only a few of these people have pins, and even the shops, there's not always any boards to pin trade. So it's been quite difficult for pin trading, hasn't it? Really.
Yeah.
I mean, in California's Disney's California Adventure, we went to the pin trading shop, but yet they had no pin trading board.
Not even the cast members wearing pins.
Well, what's with that? You're a pin trader shop, but no pins. That's not good. Sort it out. But yeah, we're on to another adventure to see what we can find in this park. So, catch you later. Hi, so we're heading to our last ride here at Disneyland. We've gone for Peter Pan's flight. So yeah, last one here. Think you do though. Then back to the hotel to pack. So I shall see you afterwards. See you in a bit. We've come to London.
And do you want your children?
I think it'll be too squishy.
Hi, so we've just done Peter Pan's flight. It was a very long queue, longer than we expected. They kept letting on empty carts for some reason, but we made it. But it's now dark. It was light when we came in. But yeah, it's been a great day here.
Just want to say that in the queue, look for, when you come, look for little objects.
In the wood, in the actual wood itself, in the queue, there are special objects for you to look out for. See if you can name them.
And so we'll give you one hint. We'll tell you one of them, and that's an umbrella.
Yes. It's good.
You gotta look everywhere.
Yeah. So yeah, it's been a great day. Shame we've got to go, but it's been fun, as we said. So you know, we're trying to pack as much as we can into the time we got here. Don't know where we're off to next, do we?
Might do shopping or pin trading.
Shopping's good. Pin trading's good too. So we'll catch you later. Bye for now. Hi. So we've left the park. It was great, but we got hungry, so we've come back for the last time to Denny's. And we know Kelly can get gluten free.
I haven't had a dinner here at Denny's before. So.
I've never had dinner here at Denny's, so it'd be interesting for us both.
I had it like years ago before I was gluten free.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I've never had it at all for dinner. So be interesting. What have you gone for?
Mediterranean chicken with broccoli and red skin potatoes.
And I've gone for a garlic peppercorn sirloin steak with zucchini and squash, and also the red skinned mashed potato. And we've both gone for a chocolate milkshake. Why not? So yeah, it's the last meal here. So
If I can actually stay awake to eat it.
yeah, it's been a long day. So we went to the park at 7, so we were awake way before that.
It's like 8:30 now.
Yeah. So tomorrow it'll be an airport day.
Yeah.
So we should see you later.
Here's my Hawaiian, I think it's called chicken, broccoli, and red skin potatoes.
Wasn't it Mexican chicken?
Might be Mexican chicken, something like that. I said it earlier.
Yeah, that's fine.
And it comes with an English muffin. Probably won't be
It's a
able.
random thing to have come with, but
Yeah, I probably won't be able to eat it, but we'll see. At least I've got butter this time.
well, it is true.
Yeah.
And I've got my garlic peppercorn sirloin steak, which can
Mexican potatoes. Do you want the mash?
yeah, that is fine. And the zucchini. And it comes with dinner bread. It's interesting. Hi guys, so it's the last morning. So bit of a room tour for you. We've got 1 queen bed, 2 queen bed. Got a nice desk area. Didn't use it much, only put stuff on it. Big TV. It didn't work the other day, but maintenance came in last night and fixed it for us. After calling 3 times. Coffee machine. Just pour the hot water in there. Cover comes in here. We did have pods, but I've taken some. Why not? Bedside cabinets. Only one, unfortunately, between the 2 beds. There's only 1 bedside cabinet. I was actually disappointed because on my side of the bed, I get nothing. Waste of space. I could have easily had a bedside cabinet. I like to put stuff on them. But it does have a table here and 2 chairs. Apart from our hand luggage. But it comes with ice bucket, 2 cups, 2 glasses, sorry, plastic cups. You get a bottle of water and lamps. Lights in here, you get 1 lamp there, there's a lamp there, and a lamp there. That's to light up this whole room. Really, it's not easy in the dark. I mean, it's dark. It's not very lit. It's a very dark room. There is a light in the hallway as well, but it doesn't do much either. But yeah, it's not been a bad room. Disney themed of sorts. It's got a picture of a fairy, shall we say? A particular fairy you might like. I definitely like. You know. But yeah, very high beds. Jump on them to get in. Sofa chair. You get 3 drawers. And in here is the mini fridge. We have used it because we went to Biggie Biggie and got some vegetables and that, you know. Got 1 bottle of water. We've got quite a few shelves actually, so it's not bad size fridge. So yeah, it's done us well. Kelly's just in the bathroom at the moment, so I'll film that in a minute. But yeah, it's not been too bad though. The view, we haven't actually spent much time on the balcony actually. We've been so busy doing other things, but this is a view from our balcony. Nice little chair set. And then you've got a car park over there for the Hamilton over across the road. We're staying at the Sheraton, so there's an S on the door for Sheraton. But yeah, not too bad. But it's a sad day that we're going home. So yeah, I'll check the rest out in a bit. Our suitcases are packed, kind of. It's tricky packing. We only have 1 suitcase, but we do the best we can with what we've got, really. We've got hand luggage. It's my hand luggage. But here's Kelly. So what do you think of this lovely room?
It does us. I mean, it's not 5-star or anything, but it's fine, you know.
It's manageable. It's
Yeah,
the trouble is we're not spending all the time in here, are we? We're at the parks, really.
Yeah, for what we needed, it's done us. I mean, we've got a bed, we've got a bathroom.
Yeah.
And a TV. It's probably all that we wanted or needed.
Yeah, so it's been quite nice.
It would have been nice to have a little bit of a kitchen.
Wow, yeah.
But we shall see.
Yes. Right, let's go see about this bathroom. Come down the little hallway, you've got the front door here. And then you've got the wardrobe with a thing for your suitcases. There is actually a safe in here. We never actually used the safe, but it is here. You've got hangers, a little shelf up there, a big shelf actually. And then you've got this full-length mirror. These are sliding doors. If I can find out which way one slides. Sliding doors. my outfit for today. I've gone with palm trees, why not? And then behind us, this is the free mirror. It's really, really nice to have a great view of mini of me. Oh, maybe not. Nice little sink area actually. You've got tissues, 2 glasses, soap, dish. Yeah, it's good. All your towels are usually hang up here, but we've been using ours. So under here is your hairdryer, and you've got a bin on the floor. And it leads into another room, which is the main bathroom. So we have a shower bath here. Very small bath, unfortunately. Never actually got to use it because it was so small. But it seems like a powerful shower. And this one here is a clothesline, which connects up to the bit at the end. So you can dry your clothes off if you've been in the shower, in the swimming pool. Nice little toilet area. More towels, spare toilet paper if you need it, you never know. Yeah, it's been quite nice here. Very simple facilities, shall we say. But yeah, it's done us quite nicely. Aircon's a bit tricky, can go from cold to quite hot and that, but you can slightly change some of the settings, but they do recommend you don't. But you can just turn it off and auto. You've got 3 different levels in fan. So yeah, it's quite interesting. Yes, we are heading to the airport soon. So yeah, sad times. But yeah, we've had a lot of fun, haven't we?
Yeah, it's been a good time. Sad time that we're leaving.
Yeah.
But all things have to come to the end. It just means that we can look forward to the next trip.
Definitely cannot wait to come back. But from here, for us two for now.
Yeah, see you at the airport.
This ends our time in Anaheim, California. It's been good. So, see you at the airport.
To say that I would definitely recommend that 2 days at least per park here.
Yeah, so you're looking at least 4 days plus, depending on what you want. If you want to do Oogie Boogie, great, but that's a whole afternoon, evening. So you will lose 8 out on a day of rides, shall we say. But yeah, we've done the most we can really here. So yeah, that's for now. See you at the airport.